Good morning, everybody. Wanted to do an update video on YouTube for you guys. Y'all should check this out. I want to show you what I'm getting ready to work on. That's right. I've got a show truck in the shop today. Sorry, everything's a little bit of a mess. But I'm getting ready to have fun with this one. So I wanted to show you before I start on it. You ready? This is my canvas for the day. For those of you that follow my YouTube, I will let you know. Putting a Marv the Martian on the tailgate. It's going to look like he's breaking out. It's going to be awesome. I'm excited. It's a wonderful looking truck. Getting ready to look even better.